What is up, RC enthusiasts? Check it out, my LDRC crew right here. But they have a guy right here that needs a rebuild. Took this guy apart because I want to put it back together and make sure everything is running smooth. And I'm going to put some custom electronics in this guy. Not sure if it's going to be from a newer LDRC with a gyro, or if it's going to be my own electronics and my own gyro. So stay tuned for this guy right here. I'm going to do some sort of high and low series for this because I have another one coming in. I just want to see how much difference I can make myself without spending much money, and with one kind of a little bit, you know, not fully barred out, but a lot more money put into it to make it drip better. And this guy right here, we're just going to see how good we can get it from the version. This is just a version 2. This is not even the one that they call like the 1801. This is the one right before that, I believe, and then they started calling them the 1801s, and then the 1802, 1803, and 1899, I believe. So that guy right there is definitely like more closer to like a 1/20th scale, and these guys are closer to the 1/18 that they say they are. And this guy here is a little bigger, I think. I'm not sure, but I do like my AE86s because I'm a Toyota guy, but out of all these, oh man, those three in the back are a better choice in my opinion if you want to collect these. I mean, if you want all four, you want all four, but if you just want the coolest looking one, it's probably going to be those three in the back right there. It's going to be a better choice for you if you want the more scale look, or even in real life, I guess the AE86 is more to, you know, you have to grow to like it kind of car. Unlike these classics right here. Unless you're like me and you watch Initial D and you like all these. So let's get to building this guy right here. Well, there you guys go. Got all my 4 LDRCs right here, ready to go. Well, this guy needs electronics still, obviously, but yeah, next video for that one. Don't want to make this video that much longer, so stay tuned for that. Not sure what I'm going to be putting in this one yet, but this one is probably going to get some upgrades. This one is definitely going to get some upgrades, and this one needs a tune. Alright guys, thanks for watching as usual, and as always, stay safe out there, go have fun, and run that RC.